Did you know that olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean diets, has been used for thousands of years, not just for cooking, but also as a moisturizer, a cleaning agent, and even a remedy for various ailments? This golden liquid is more than just a culinary delight. It's a versatile elixir that has found its way into numerous aspects of our daily lives, often in ways we might not even realize. The myriad uses of olive oil extend far beyond the kitchen, making it an essential item for every household. When we think of olive oil, our minds typically conjure images of drizzling it over a fresh salad or using it to sauté vegetables. While these are indeed delicious applications, many people are unaware of the countless hacks that can elevate olive oil's status in their homes. It's time to break free from the narrow perception of olive oil as merely a cooking ingredient and explore its full potential. One common misconception is that olive oil is only suitable for certain types of cooking. Many believe that its smoke point makes it unsuitable for high-heat applications, leading them to opt for vegetable or canola oils instead. However, extra virgin olive oil, with its rich flavor and health benefits, can be used for roasting, baking, and even frying when used correctly. Another myth is that olive oil is too expensive for daily use, but when you consider its multiple applications, it becomes clear that investing in a good bottle of olive oil is both practical and economical. Let's delve into some innovative and lesser-known applications of olive oil that can transform your daily routine. First and foremost, olive oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. Its rich fatty acids and antioxidants make it an ideal choice for hydrating the skin. Instead of reaching for expensive creams filled with chemicals, try massaging a few drops of olive oil into your skin after a shower. It absorbs quickly and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple without a greasy residue. In addition to skincare, olive oil can work wonders in your hair care routine. It serves as a natural conditioner, adding shine and moisture to dry, frizzy hair. For a simple hair mask, warm a few tablespoons of olive oil and apply it to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it out with your regular shampoo. This treatment can help restore luster and vitality to your hair, making it look healthier and more vibrant. Beyond beauty, olive oil can also be a powerful cleaning agent. Its natural properties can help remove sticky residues and grime from various surfaces. For a quick and effective cleaning solution, mix equal parts of olive oil and vinegar in a spray bottle. Use it to polish wooden furniture, and watch as it brings out the wood's natural shine while also providing a protective layer. This hack not only saves money on commercial cleaners, but also ensures that your home remains free from harsh chemicals. Health-wise, olive oil is celebrated for its numerous benefits. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can also aid in digestion and help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. One particularly surprising health hack is using olive oil as a natural remedy for sore throats. Mixing a tablespoon of olive oil with honey and lemon can create a soothing concoction that coats the throat and alleviates discomfort. This simple remedy is not only effective, but also delicious. Among the many hacks, one that stands out is using olive oil as a natural remedy for squeaky hinges. If you've ever been annoyed by the sound of a door creaking, a few drops of olive oil can be the solution. Instead of reaching for a can of WD-40, simply apply a small amount of olive oil to the hinges and watch as the noise disappears. This hack is not only effective, but also eco-friendly, showcasing olive oil's versatility in yet another unexpected way. As we recap these hacks, it's clear that olive oil is a multi-purpose product worth exploring. From beauty treatments to cleaning solutions and health remedies, its applications are vast and varied. By breaking free from the misconceptions that limit its use, we can fully appreciate the benefits that this ancient elixir offers. So, the next time you reach for that bottle of olive oil in your kitchen, remember that it can do so much more than enhance your meals. Try incorporating it into your skincare routine, use it as a natural conditioner, or mix it with vinegar for an eco-friendly cleaning solution. Don't forget to share the surprising remedy for squeaky hinges with friends or family. They'll be amazed at how something so simple can solve an everyday annoyance. Olive oil is not just a cooking staple. It's a treasure trove of possibilities waiting to be discovered. Embrace its versatility, and you may find that this ancient oil becomes an indispensable part of your daily life, enhancing not only your meals, but also your health, beauty, and home.